Hello everyone, so welcome to next exercise, and our next topic is while loop. Okay, now we will turn on these LEDs one by one by using while loop. Okay, now let's do our while set of function first. Okay, now here we declare int I equals to, and I know I have connected my LEDs from pin number 2 to pin number 7, so pin number 2. Alright, now while I less than equals to 7. Okay, now just write pin mode these all LEDs as an output. Okay, now here's the increment. Alright, now let's do our while loop section. While loop section, I'll declare in I equals to 2 while I less than equals to 7, and here I'll turn on the LED digital right high. Let's give a delay 400 millisecond. Alright, now let's increment our pin numbers. Okay, now upload your code on Arduino board. So here you will see my LEDs are turned on. If you reset your Arduino board, then you'll see, okay, my LEDs are turned on. Now I have to turn off the LEDs. So just write, I know my value is I equals to, just initialize your variable again and just copy and paste the our code. Alright, and just write I low. Okay, now once again upload your program. So here you'll see my LEDs are turned off. Okay, so it was my required sequence. Okay, now let's make our Night Rider effect. Okay, so to make a Night Rider effect, just change your pin status. It is I equals to 7, I know, and to I equals to 2, which is my greater than, and just decrement your pins. Alright, now let's reduce our time delay. Okay, now upload your program. Alright, that's it. Okay, if you want to notice where your loop has been in, just add a long delay. Okay, my one sequence has been complete from here to here. Now after 4 seconds my another sequence has been complete from here to here. Okay, so just remove this delay. Actually we don't need this. Now again upload your program. Alright, okay, so it was the sequencing of your LEDs. So let's do our next exercise in while loop. So our next exercise is blinking of all the LEDs by using while loop. Okay, so let's do our while loop first. Setup first. Okay, now I know I have connected my LED to pin number 2 of Arduino board. to 7 while I less than equals to 7. Okay, so I'll declare these pins as an output. Okay, now here I'll put the increment operator. Alright, now let's do our void loop section. Now just write I equals to 2 while I less than equals to 7. Now here I want to turn on all the LEDs, so I'll write digital write I high. Okay, okay, sorry. So I plus plus. Now just add delay. Add a delay. This 500 millisecond is enough. Alright, now again copy and paste our code. Alright, now just write I low. Okay, now upload your program on Arduino board. Okay, so here's my blinking of all the LEDs. Alright, so in our next exercise we will blink these all LEDs for 5 times. Okay, after 5 times these LEDs should get off. Okay, for that I'll declare another variable in j equals to, let's say, 0. Alright, now in our void loop we will write while j less than equals to 4. Okay, now here we will increment our j variable. Okay, now upload your code. It might take some time. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5, then off permanently. Okay, so that's all about while loop. So now let's do our next exercise.